Hello guys, welcome back to our online classes. Let's start. So I want you to think, what makes you feel nervous? And what do you do when that happens? In my case, something that makes me feel very nervous is being late. For example, waking up late, it stresses me and I feel nervous. And when I do that, it's very difficult to control it for me, but I try to just focus and try to not think about all the things that I have to do, but just think of the next thing that I have to do. But what about you? What makes you feel nervous? What do you do when that happens? I want you to think about it, and we're going to discuss this during class. Okay? Good. So I'm gonna play an audio, and I want you to listen and tell me why is Nate eating so late, and what does Laura do when she's nervous? Okay? So let's pay attention to the audio, and then we're going to check this. Okay? Ready?
Hello?
Hi, Nate. It's Laura. Are you busy?
Not really. I'm just eating some ice cream.
Really? Why are you eating so late?
Oh, I have an exam tomorrow, and I'm kind of nervous about it. I eat when I'm nervous. I'm not even hungry. It's not good, I know.
Well, a lot of people eat when they're nervous. If I'm nervous about something, I just try not to think about it.
That's easier said than done. But what do you do if you have a really important exam?
I study a lot, of course.
Okay. So if you couldn't hear it, please stop the video and replay the audio, okay? So why is Nate eating so late? Well, Nate is eating late because he's nervous. What does Laura do when she's nervous? She tries to not. She tries not to think about it. Okay, good. So I want you to check out these sentences that I took from the audio, and I want you to tell me what are these sentences talking about? Something true or something that happens frequently? Read them, please, and answer this question. Well, these are talking about something that is true. And what words do you see repeated the most? If you check it, you're going to see that the words that are the most repeated are if. And how many parts do you see in each of the sentences? I'm hungry at midnight. I ate a sandwich. Oh, you're going to see two parts, right? Good. And this brings us to today's topic. Today we're going to talk about zero conditional. We use zero conditional to talk about things that are true, like rules or laws. If you don't study, you lose the exam. This is true. Uh, if the condition is not studying for an exam, the reaction is that you lose it. Yes? Zero conditional has two clauses or parts. The condition is if we don't study, the reaction is we lose the exam. The structure is if simple present studies, comma, and then simple present for the reaction, right? Now we can change the order of the clauses or the parts, right? So we can say if we study, we win the exam, or we win if we study. Now you have to be careful because if you start the reaction, you don't need the comma, right? And you can do it like this. When I study, I win my exams, right? And we're exchanging the order and we're not using the comma in this part, right? With that in mind, I want you to stop the video and I want you to open your book on your workbook on the page 6 and I want you to work on the exercise number 3 to complete the sentences with the word bank that we have. Work on it and we're gonna check it during class. Thank you for watching today's video, guys. I'll see you in class.